In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files over here, and to add your audio one, look for it in one of those apps by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner or by selecting audio at the top. Either way, just click on it to add it. To add a video one, select Gallery section, click on your video, or tap on Folders and select it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!